Welcome to the Liebherr Professional Refrigeration video series. Today we're going to be talking about the laboratory comfort control panel and in particular the correct power up procedure for your Liebherr Professional unit. Powering up your Liebherr Professional is naturally quite simple. Once it's been plugged into the outlet, you'll notice that the display will eventually show the current temperature and the word off. To actually turn the unit on, we must press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds until the word on appears in the display, and then it reverts back to once again the current temperature. Our Liebherr Professional is now ready to be used.